Good Monday evening. Another warm one out there. Temperature still mild, sitting at 81 degrees in Bryan College Station. We climbed up to 83 this afternoon, a good 3 degrees above average. 83 in Hearn, 79 in Brenham. Temperatures a little bit warmer along that I-45 corridor. 84 degrees in Huntsville. Those southerly winds kind of pumping up that moisture back into the Brazos Valley. Now it's a little bit warmer out to the west behind the dry line. 97 degrees in Del Rio, 91 in San Antonio. Dallas is still sitting in the 70s at this hour. We're not dealing with any storms across the Brazos Valley or a large part of Texas. Now, there is a weak upper level disturbance sparking some storms across central Oklahoma, but we're not going to see any of that activity here in the Brazos Valley. We're noticing a warm front starting to lift north across the Brazos Valley. This is starting to pump some Gulf moisture back into the area, especially across that western zone, making it a little bit uncomfortable out there. Now, the entire Brazos Valley tomorrow going to be within that Gulf air mass. Dew points getting up into the low 70s, going to be pretty sticky out there. Notice this dry line to our west. This won't develop any storms tomorrow afternoon. Going to see a cap in place, but that's going to change as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Going to notice that dry line surge toward the east into the Brazos Valley. This is going to spark some showers and storms here. So let's take a little bit of a deeper look into that. As that dry line works its way into the Brazos Valley, we are going to see some showers and storms develop across the entire area, likely going to develop out along that I-35 corridor as we head into the afternoon hours on Wednesday, and then gradually work their way toward the east. Now, there are a couple areas we're trying to determine just possibly how severe these storms are going to be. We're going to see some morning thunderstorm activity out there on cloud cover, likely going to be below severe levels, but that could kind of limit that severe threat. But we're expecting to see some breaks in that sunshine breaks in the cloud cover, I should say, as we head into the afternoon hours. And that'll kind of prime that atmosphere for some more showers and storms along this dry line. Now, if we get a lot of daytime heating, we could see some pretty large hail with these storms. But if that cloud cover sticks around, it'll kind of limit that severe threat and maybe only see up to quarter-size hail. We'll continue to monitor this over the next couple of days. That Gulf moisture going to continue to pump in as we head into tomorrow morning. Going to be cloudy out there. Can't rule out a little bit of fog across that southern zone. Quickly going to burn off though as we head into the afternoon hours. Should see mostly sunny skies. Notice that dry line out to the west, really not much activity with it because we're going to have that cap in place that's going to protect us from any storms. Heading though into Wednesday morning, notice we see a few showers, isolated storms out there. Going to be cloudy, but we're expecting a couple breaks in the sunshine or in the cloud cover, and we're expecting some sunshine. And as that dry line works its way toward the east, going to see some showers and storms develop along it. And again, some of these could be strong, possibly severe. The main hazard going to be large hail damaging winds. Now, it looks like there could be a higher tornado threat across that northern zone. Still trying to iron out those finer details, but there is a level 2 risk for the entire Brazos Valley heading into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Again, we're going to continue to monitor this over the next 24 hours, and we'll have a better idea of just exactly what those storms are going to do on Wednesday as we head into that tomorrow newscast. So we'll have a clearer picture of exactly what is going to happen. Taking a look at that extended forecast, temperatures increase again as we head into Friday, and we see another chance for storms heading into next week. Stay tuned. More KAGS after the break.
Just don't go too far right now, guys. I want to pick your brain on something real quick, Chris. So let's take a look at this. We're getting a look at the tornado that ripped through the part of central Florida today. Local meteorologists say that EF0 tornado crossed more than 11 miles, reaching wind speeds of 85 miles per hour. A driver captured this cell phone video of the twister crossing over Interstate 75 and destroying part of a building. That storm left a trail of downed trees and power lines. Hundreds of people were left without power. Now, that storm that hit Florida, is this the same system we saw in Texas on Sunday, Chris?
Yes, Tristan, it is. So it worked its way east through Texas on Sunday, all the way into parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and eventually Georgia and Florida as we headed into this morning into the afternoon hours. So it is the same storm system that impacted us